Okay, so good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so can you see the screen, everyone? Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. So we will be discussing about the specimen that is the heart. So heart. By hearing the word heart, comes to your mind cardiovascular system. Is not it? Cardiovascular system. So the word cardio. What does it mean? Cardio means heart. Understand? And vascular means what? Vascular means blood vessels. And what does your heart do? Your heart, they will pump the blood as well as they will circulate blood. Okay, they will go on circulating to all the different parts of your body. Understand? Means the heart, they helps you in circulating the blood to all the parts of your body. It pumps the blood, and after that, what do? They go and supply. They go and circulate the blood to all the different parts of your body. And next is what? Next is blood vessels. So this blood vessels, what does it mean? Blood vessels. Blood vessels, they are like a network. Okay, means they go and like give the blood to the different parts of your body. Means they are like through the help of these blood vessels, like the body can get the blood. It's in that way. You understand in that way. Okay, is it clear about this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is anatomical structure of the heart. So how does your heart look like? Okay, how does it look like, and what is the shape of the heart? So let us now discuss about it. And what can you see in the heart? The heart, you can see that they are cone shape. Cone is like what? Triangular in shape. Understand? Cone is like triangular in shape. And the heart, you can see that it's like the size of the fist. You remember the fist? So if I'll do like this, so this is my fist. So my heart will be this much in size. Understand? So my heart will be this much in size. So it will depend upon the person. It will depend upon the owner's fist. If the size of the fist is big, that means what? Uh, that means what? The owner's heart is big. So in that way, you understand that. Next is measurements of heart. So in the measurements, what can you see? In the measurements, you can see that the heart, it is 10 centimeter long. Okay, it is 10 centimeter in length, the heart. And what is the weight of the heart? The weight of the heart, you can see that approximately for a woman, it is 225 gram, and for men, it is 310 gram. For men, it is a bit heavier compared to the female. It is approximately this, and it's not like exactly you will get this. It is 225 gram. So it will depend upon the individual also. But overall, you will see that the man's heart, they are a bit heavier compared to the female. Okay, is it clear about this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you please listen carefully. Huh? Afterwards, I'll ask you. Now, it is the structure of the heart. Okay, so layers of the heart. In the layers of the heart, what will you get? First is epicardium. Epicardium is the outermost layer of the heart. Okay, outermost layer, and you can say that it is a protective layer of the heart also. You can say that. And next is what? Myocardium. So myocardium, it is in the middle part of your heart, and you can see that this is the last part, that is the endocardium. Endocardium, you can see that they are thin and they lie in the innermost part of the heart. Okay, innermost part of the heart, the endocardium is situated. Epicardium, which lies in the outermost part of your heart. Myocardium, it lies in the middle part, that is, it is made up of muscles. And endocardium, they are thin, and they lie where? In the innermost part of your heart. So these are this is about the layers of the heart. Next is location, where your heart is situated or where your heart is located. So your heart, where does it lie? Your heart lies in a thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity means what? This portion, okay, chest. In your chest portion, is known as the thoracic cavity. So where does your heart lie exactly? It lies in the middle. Okay, both sides lungs is there, right side, left side, both sides lungs are there. So the heart, it will lie where? In the middle portion, which is known as mediastinum. Mediastinum means what? Mediastinum means it lies on both sides. Sorry, it lies in between the lungs. That is in the middle part. In the middle portion or in the middle part, your heart is situated. That is right side, left side. Okay. Is it clear about the location, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is chambers. So
Yes,
your
ma'am.
heart, huh? Yes. Okay. So now let's talk about the chambers of the heart. So the chambers, how many chambers do you have in your heart? Four. Okay, one, two, three, four. So the first chamber. What is the name of the first chamber? Right atrium. Then next is what? Right ventricle. Next is left atrium. Next is left ventricle. So these are the four chambers of the heart. Understand? Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Okay, is it clear? You always remember atrium. Means for your own understanding, I'm just saying. The alphabetical letter A comes first. This way you always remember it's above at the top, and ventricle means V, right? So it comes later. So V. That's why it's down. You remember in that way. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, is it clear about the chambers of the heart, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so now let us discuss about the circulation of the heart. How does your blood circulate? Okay, means how does your heart circulate inside the heart? So from the superior vena cava, that is in the upper side of your body, and inferior vena cava, that is in the lower side of your body. Okay, superior means above, inferior means below, and the deoxygenated blood, they will come from each side. Okay, that is the superior, that is upper portion, and inferior, that is in the lower portion. The deoxygenated blood, they will come where? They will come to first to the right atrium. Okay, right side, right atrium. They will come, and afterwards, here is a door or else a pathway, which is known as what? Tricuspid valve. So the tricuspid valve will open, and as soon as the tricuspid valve will open, it will go to the right ventricle. This one, right ventricle. Then, when the deoxygenated blood will go to the right ventricle, it will go to the right ventricle. Again, here there is a door or else a pathway, okay, which is known as pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve. So as soon as the pulmonary valve will open, it will go through this pulmonary artery, okay, pulmonary artery, and the pulmonary artery, you can see that it is divided into two parts, that is the right pulmonary artery and the left pulmonary artery. So when the pulmonary artery, you will find that since it is divided into two parts, right? So you remember no, the location of the heart. Here both sides lungs is there, right side, left side. So the deoxygenated blood, they will go to both sides of the lungs. Okay, right side and left side. So as soon as the deoxygenated blood will go to the lungs, it will turn into what? Oxygenated blood. Okay, it will now turn into oxygenated blood. So when it will turn into oxygenated blood, again it will come inside the heart through where? Through the pulmonary veins. So this is the pulmonary veins. This one, pulmonary veins. So when it will enter into the pulmonary veins, it will first go to where? It will first go to the left atrium. Left atrium. So when it will go to the left atrium, again it will come down with the help of what? With the help of mitral valve. Okay, means there is a door or a pathway which is known as mitral valve. So when this mitral valve will open, it will settle here, that is in the left ventricle. So as soon as it will come into the left ventricle, again it will go up. Understand? Again it will go up through with the help of what? With the help of valve, which is known as aortic valve. So as soon as the aortic valve will open, okay, as soon as the aortic valve will open, it will go through where? Through the aorta. So this is the aorta. Then after going to the aorta, where it will go? It will go to the different parts of your body. Understand? It will go and supply blood, or else it will give blood to the different parts of your body. That is the oxygenated blood. Okay, is it clear everyone about the circulatory system of the heart? Are you all clear? And you remember, this blue color indicates deoxygenated blood.
Ma'am, repeat. Ma'am, repeat
And
once.
okay, this blue color, it indicates deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated means what? Absence of oxygen. And this red color, it indicates oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means what? Presence of oxygen. Understand? For your own understanding, color coding is done here. Okay,
Ma'am,
so let me repeat again. So the deoxygenated blood uh, will come from two sides. Understand? That is the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. Okay, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. So superior vena cava, that is in the upper side, it lies in the upper part of your body, and inferior part which lies in the what? The lower part of your body. So the blood, okay, that is the deoxygenated blood, they will first come to where? They will first come to the right atrium. Okay, right atrium. So as soon as it will come into the right atrium, through the help of this tricuspid valve. Okay, this door or pathway, you can see it is known as a tricuspid valve. So as soon as the tricuspid valve will open, what will happen? It will come down and it will come where? To the right ventricle. It will come to the right ventricle. So as soon as it will come into the right ventricle, what will happen? Again, it will go up. That is where pulmonary artery. But before entering in the pulmonary artery, there is a valve. Okay, there is a door or a pathway which is known as pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve. Understand? Pulmonary valve. So as soon as the pulmonary valve will open, what will happen? It will go here to the pulmonary artery. Okay, pulmonary artery. And you can see that the pulmonary artery, they are divided into two parts. That is the right side and the left side. Okay. So so what will happen? You remembered, right? The heart is where the location of the heart. Okay, you remember, right? No? The location of the heart. So the heart is located where? In the mediastinum. Mediastinum means what? In between the lungs. So as the lungs is situated in the middle, so you have got two lungs. So so the pulmonary artery, since it is divided into two parts, so it will go to both sides. Okay, that is the right side and the left side. So the pulmonary artery, it will go to both sides of the lung. That is the right side and the left side. So now the deoxygenated blood, as soon as it will enter into the lungs, where it will go? It will go, it will turn into oxygenated blood now. Okay, so it will turn into oxygenated blood now. So as soon as it will come, so as soon as like it will turn into oxygenated blood, it will come through where? It will come through the pulmonary veins. it will come through the pulmonary veins. Okay, with this, it will enter through the pulmonary veins, both sides. Okay, this side, this side. So as soon as it will enter into the pulmonary veins, first where it will go? First it will go to the left atrium. LA means left atrium. So as soon as it will enter into the left atrium, where it will go? It will go down, and again there is a door or a pathway which is known as mitral valve. Mitral valve. So as soon as the mitral valve will open, what will happen? Again it will go down, which is known as the left ventricle. Left ventricle. So when it will go to the left ventricle, again here it will go up. Okay, again here it will go up. So again there is a door or a pathway which is known as what? Which is known as aortic valve. Aortic valve. So as soon as the aortic valve will open, it will go where? It will go to the aorta. Aorta, this one, aorta. And afterwards, means when it will go to the aorta, it will supply the oxygenated blood to the different parts of your body. And it will go on and on, this circulatory system. It will be constant. Constant means what? It will be forever, like that, endless. Understand? It will go on and on. So in this way, the circulatory system of the heart works. Okay, is it clear now, everyone? Are you clear now? Will you be able to say? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dynasty, are you clear about the circulatory system of the heart? Dynasty? Yes, Dynasty, did you understand? Grapho, did you understand? Did you understand or not? Dynasty, Grapho, yes or no? What about Caroline? Caroline, can you understand? Caroline? Hasina, did you understand?
Ma'am, explained.
Explain from the beginning.
Yes, ma'am.
You please listen carefully, huh? I'll repeat again, and everyone should be able to answer it. So what will happen? The deoxygenated blood. Okay, deoxygenated means what? Absence of oxygen. There is no oxygen. Understand? So the deoxygenated blood, it will come and through the superior vena cava, this one, that is in the upper side of your body, and the inferior vena cava. Okay, this is in the lower part of your body. So the deoxygenated blood, first they will come through this superior and inferior vena cava. Understand? And it will come where? First it will come to the right atrium. RA means right atrium. So first it will come here, then with the help of the tricuspid valve. Okay, tricuspid valve is known as what? A door or a pathway, you can say that. मतलब दरवाजा का जैसा है. So that it will be easy for it to go down. So as soon as this valve will open, which is known as a tricuspid valve, it will go where? It will go to the right ventricle. It will go to the right ventricle. Then when it will go to the right ventricle, what will happen? Again it will go up. That is where? That is in the pulmonary artery. Okay, but before going to the pulmonary artery, again, like what to say, there is a door or a pathway which is known as the pulmonary valve. Okay, pulmonary valve. So when this pulmonary valve will open, it will come inside the pulmonary artery. So pulmonary artery, you can see that it is divided into two parts. It is the right pulmonary artery and the left pulmonary artery. Okay, from the picture itself, you see right, left. So when it will travel, means to both sides, that is the right and the left side, it will go where? It will go to the lungs. Both sides, right side, left side. You remembered, right? In the location of the heart, where is your heart located? In mediastinum. Mediastinum means in between the lungs. So your lungs is there near your heart. So the heart is located in the middle, in between the lungs. So your heart is located in between your lungs. So it will the oxygen the deoxygenated blood will go to both sides. It is the right pulmonary artery and the left pulmonary artery. So it will go to both sides. So as soon as the deoxygenated blood will go to the lungs, it will turn itself into what blood now? Oxygenated blood. Okay, oxygenated blood means presence of oxygen. So as soon as it will turn into oxygenated blood, again it will come inside the heart. Through where? Through the pulmonary veins. So this is the pulmonary veins, this side and this side. So it will come through the pulmonary veins and it will come where? It will come to the left atrium. Understand? It will come to the left atrium. So as soon as it will come to the left atrium, again it will go down, which is known as mitral valve. With the help of the mitral valve, it will go down. So as soon as the mitral valve will open, it will come where? It will come to the left ventricle. This is the left ventricle and again will go up. And again there is a door or a pathway which is known as aortic valve. Understand? Aortic valve. So as soon as the aortic valve will open, it will go where? It will go to the aorta. It will go to the aorta and after the aorta, where will it go? It will go to the different parts of the body. That is the oxygenated blood. And the circulation goes on and on. Understand? It will be constant. It goes on and on. Okay, did you understand now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, will you be able to say? Yes, will you be able to say just by seeing the diagram and this one, the names? It's easy, it's not tough. And this RA means what? RA means right atrium.
Right.
RV means right ventricle. But during exam, do write full sentence, okay? Not like this. And PA means pulmonary artery. And AO means aorta. LA means what? Left atrium. LV means what? Left ventricle. Okay, this is just a short form. And this is septum. Septum is what? Septum is the division of the chambers. Okay, of the chambers. Ventricular septum. Ventricular, why? Because ventricle means, you remember that ventricle. It lies in the ventricle side, down side. That's why it's known as ventricular septum. Okay, and this one is also atrial septum. It lies in the atrium side. Okay, upside. That's why it is known as atrial septum. Septum is like the division in between the two chambers. Okay, what to say? Yeah, it's the division. Suppose inside the room there is a division, right? Wall. So same way like that. That wall is known as septum. The upper part is known as the atrial septum. Okay, atrial septum, and the lower part, below part is known as the ventricular septum. So this is the septum. Septum is a division in between the chambers, in between the chambers of the heart. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Everyone, I want response from everyone, not only 1, 2 students. Wandrigun, are you clear? Wandrigun, are you clear? Tashi, are you clear? Kanna Mundu, are you clear? Takyo Mete, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Baba Yakar, are you clear? Okay, Anya, are you clear? Subhash, are you clear? Srijana, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sakani, are you clear, Sakani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sajarika,
Ma'am.
Sachi, Sachi, Praki, clear, na? Nafishisha, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Monica, Monica, are you clear? Moichong, are you clear, Moichong? Miracle,
Yes, ma'am.
clear, na? Mari, are you clear, Mari? Lakme Chakma, are you clear about the topic? Okay, KV, are you clear? Kajal, are you clear? Kajal Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jondeep, are you clear? Okay, Hasina, are you clear? Are you clear, Hasina? Okay, Grafo, are you clear, Grafo? Are you clear or not? At least write in the chat box if you are not able to speak. Okay, Dynasty, are you clear? Dynasty, Dev Barma, are you clear? Caroline, are you clear? Caroline?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. I will take till here, and in the next class, I will ask any one of you to explain about the circulatory system of the heart. Okay, next class, what do you have? Anatomy theory, right? Okay. So I will ask any one of you to explain about the circulatory system of the heart. So I will send you the link after a while. Okay. Okay. Did you get it? I'll ask any one of you. Okay. So you please get ready. Please revise again about the circulatory system of the heart as well as all this also. Wait, I'll show you again. From the beginning. From the beginning. There is from here. Cardio means what? Then vascular means what? And what is the shape of the heart? Okay, what are the measurements of the heart? And what is the structure of the heart? Structure means what? Layers of the heart. Where is the heart situated? Where it is located? And next is location. Where is your heart located? And how many chambers do you have? I mean in the heart. Next is circulatory system of the heart. So about all this, I will ask any one of you. Okay, so you get ready. We will have the class after few minutes again. I will send you the link again. Okay. Okay, then that's all for now. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.